Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to insert images in Figma. Whether you're building a design mockup, creating a presentation, or working on a user interface, knowing how to quickly add images to your project is essential. Let's walk through the different methods you can use to get this done. First things first, open your Figma application. Once it's launched, navigate to the project where you want to insert your images. This could be an existing design file or a brand new project you've just started. Make sure you have the right file open before moving forward. Now here's the interesting part. Figma gives you 3 different ways to insert images, and each one has its own advantages depending on your workflow. Let's start with the first method. Look towards the bottom of your Figma interface and find the Shapes menu. You'll see a small arrow down beside it. Click on that arrow to expand the options, then select Image/Video from the dropdown. This will open your file browser, allowing you to navigate through your folders. Browse to the location where your image is stored, then double-click on the image you want to use. After that, simply click anywhere on your frame and the image will be inserted right there. This method is great when you want precise control over where your image appears. The second method is even quicker if you're someone who prefers drag and drop functionality. Open your file browser on your computer and locate the image you want to add, then simply drag it directly onto your Figma frame. As soon as you release it, the image will automatically be inserted. This approach is perfect for speeding up your workflow, especially when you're adding multiple images at once. The third way involves copying and pasting, which can be incredibly handy if you're pulling images from different sources. For example, let's say you have an image open in your file browser. Click on that image and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Now switch back to your Figma frame and press Ctrl+V to paste it. The image will appear instantly on your canvas. This method works well when you're grabbing images from emails, websites, or other applications and want to move them into Figma without saving them first. And that's it. You've now got 3 reliable ways to insert images into your Figma projects, each suited to different situations. Whether you prefer using the built-in image tool, dragging files directly, or copying and pasting, Figma makes it simple to bring your visuals into your designs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.